portfolio. Anyway, I will decorate it in a menu bar in a little fancy layout. After that, you can type whatever HTML tags you will know. You can add the same. Whatever additional things you are having your credits, you can add it in the button. Okay. This is for experiment number 1, a simple way of creating a resume portfolio. Okay. Now I will entering into my experiment number 2. So this is my second experiment, to-do experiment. Okay, to-do projects. Okay, it's very simplest project. I will explain little more. So I will open this file. Actually, only 3 files. I will open this file. So the dependency for this file is 2 packages are necessary. Okay. I hope everyone very much familiar about to-do operation. One second, I will execute first and then I will explain. CMD npm I for installing all those required packages. Node index.js running on port number 3000. I will go to here localhost colon 3000. This is my second experiment for simple to-do list app. I will add a task by car, buy a car, add to task. The task was added. Then practice something Java. You can click add task, it will be added. Whatever things added. So whatever you can add in the add task, the task was added here. If you click this task was not completed, this task was completed, then you can click here and remove, it will be added in completed task. If you click here and remove, it's added in completed task. If you click here and remove, it's added in completed task. This is for simple to-do list app creation. Actually, there are a variety of things. After completing 50 units, you can add MongoDB2. There are numerous number of things. You can add CRUD operation using Express. After CRUD operation, you can merge it with React for designing front end. So everything was available. I will create a simple lab because it's a lab experiment. So I will create very basic things. Anyway, the complete project for to-do list, it's also available in Git. I will share. So I will share the entire code and manual. Whatever time permits, you can create simple or larger. It's your wish. Okay, I will share the same. So now I will explain the code. This is for index.js. So the package was Express and body parser. These 2 packages are needed. Then inside that, I will add 2 lines. One is a task, another one is a completed task. I will create 2 array variable. One is a task, another one is a completed task. Please view the output. The task and completed task. 2 array was created. Then if you click add task, the data was pushed into task. Okay. If you click remove task, so it can push it into complete task. If data was add task, it will be pushed into task. If it's remove task, it pushed into complete task. Similar way, it's removed from task. Okay. Then the server is running in the port number 3000. The entire page was render. The page was rendered in the name of index. So I will open that HTML code. Okay, this is for JavaScript code. So I will open my HTML code. It's available inside view. Here HTML file, it's rendering was happened. So it's saved in extension .ejs. Okay. EJS, Express JavaScript. Okay, it's a HTML code, but actually it's written inside Express JavaScript. Then only the dynamic activity which will be embedded. Okay. So this is for heading simple to-do list app. If the input box It's for entering data. You can click on that button add task, which will be moved into /add task. So this is for simple text box and a button. If you click enter the data and click this button, it will be moved into the Express code. Okay. If the added task, which is pushed into a variable called as task, so you can type a for loop for I equal to 0, I less than task dot length, I plus plus. Then you can type, you can print it the same in a checkbox along with the value. Similar way, a completed task, it's saved in a variable complete. So complete dot length and printed the same. The button remove task, if you click the checkbox and remove task, that item which will be added in complete task. So this is for 10 lines of HTML code. The code which will be little bit decorated with the help of a simple style sheet with the font and background color and the underline. So very simple. So only for 20 lines of code, we will decorate this to-do. Actually, to-do application is not a simple one. It's a very larger one. I will share the complete to-do application in AngularJS. I will have the same application in React.js too. The entire thing which is available in how to develop a to-do application, which is available in 45 minutes video. So it's available in 45 minutes video, how to create a to-do application with all those complete current activity, which is available in 2 hours video. So if needed, you can watch that video. So you can develop that application, but it takes more time. So because of that, it's a lab experiment. So for that reason, I will create this simple experiment. So this is the agenda for these 2 days. So day 1 for introduction to full stack development and basic overview. Day 2, it's planned for experiment, something basic experiment of Node.js with event listener, timer, callback, and HTTP events. Okay, with 2 basic experiments. I will share my experiment number 1 and experiment number 2 manual to use soon. If possible, I will share it in today night. Otherwise, tomorrow. Okay, I will share the manual for first 2 experiments. Similar way, I will share the entire presentation, the recorded video too. Okay. In addition to that, already the Angular as well as React video is available in that website. So http://video.k7cloud.in. This is my website. This is my channel. Actually, k7cloud.in my website. Video.k7cloud.in my YouTube channel. Okay. Whatever videos needed, Angular or React or complete full stack course, the entire things are available. But your syllabus is little different because they are following Express.js as a backend. But in that project, in that tool, I'm using Servlet as a backend. Okay. Similarly, MongoDB is a database. There, Postgres is a database. Okay. So these are the small overview for IT3501 full stack development and full stack development lab. I will share a manual and presentation. If you have any queries, please. I will stop my presentation. JavaScript is the very easiest one, but the one and only request was, the prerequisite was something, a learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is mandatory. So because your syllabus won't contain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but the basic, without knowing HTML or without knowing what is CSS or what is external style sheet, what is internal style sheet, so what is cascading style sheet. So in addition to that, how to create simple function in JavaScript, how to call a JavaScript event in a button click. So these are the prerequisites for learning this full stack development. So it's time permits, you can learn these things first. Otherwise, you can insist your student to learn these things first. Any questions? Anything else from student side or faculty side? Do you need anything? I will share the entire presentation, share the entire manual, and along with the video, recorded video too. If you watch anytime, if you have any queries, you can ping me at any time, no issue. You can ping me via WhatsApp at any time or call me. Okay, I will help you. Any questions from participant side? I think time is a factor. Actually, continuously for programming for 2 hours, it's little tough. 1 hour, it's okay. Anyway, no issue. Any other things? Thank you.